right, we are ready to go for testing. I've got some water here. We're going to put that in the very first reservoir. Remember, APW wants the most water we can pump over a minute period of time. Now, my helpers are all out to lunch today, so I'm going to have to do this by myself, but we're going to see how well we do at pumping on our own, okay? So we're going to start by putting water from this reservoir, allowing it to flow by gravity down into this canal. Let's see how we do with that first. So we've got water flowing. We got a little bit of drippage here coming off to the side. Ooh, so we might need to do some improvements on that. So let's take a step back. I think I'm going to try turning this around because maybe this will help with the water flow. I don't know. We're just testing now, right? So let's test again. And that seems to be working better. I'm not really losing as much water. So now let's enter the second stage here. So we've got, and it's hard to do this with one person, but we're going to try. So we got water flowing in both of these. Now remember, when you're doing this as an experiment, you would do this over 1 minute. So now we've got water over here, but can we get this into the last canal? So let's take a look at that. This looks like it's a little off kilter a little bit, so I'm going to try to level that. Why do you think leveling something might be a good idea when we're pumping water up? I'll let you think about that. So we've got water here. We're going to try to get it up into this other canal. Can we do it? It's not doing so well at the very end here. So let's go back, get some more water pumped in. We might need to add something to raise that up just a tad. Make it easier for our pump to get the water out. Looks like we're still good there. I'm going to pump more water into the canals. Our pumping system's still good. And again, I want to try this last section over here and see how we're doing. We raise the elevation here a little bit, make it easier to pump. And I think we got it. I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to try to raise it just a little bit more. So let's add a little bit more height to help that last pump get that water up there. Now I'm a little concerned here because we have, our slope doesn't look as steep. So let's see if that water's still going to flow by gravity. If it's coming out at the other end, it's coming out at the end of the canal here. So notice it's coming out. So it's definitely flowing by gravity. All right, so we know that that's working. And look at that, we got a little extra room over here, a little bit better, makes it easier to pump. Wow, I'm excited. We just built a scale model of the Central Arizona project. So, do you remember the distance? We said it's 336 miles, and every inch is equal to 7 miles of canal. 7 miles of canal. And over here, where it's going over the mountains and things, we said every inch is equal to 241.7 feet. So every inch is equal to 241.7 feet, meaning it's close to that 3,000 foot level. I am so excited we now have a working model of the Central Arizona Project, which meets all of our criteria and constraints that APW set up for us. How cool is that? Excellent job, everybody. I'd love to hire you all as technicians on my next construction job. So have a great day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.